Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a landing page for a client. So I'm logged into our Unbounce account. As you can see, we have all the different landing pages that are created in here in the account. So what I did is I went over here to a buyer lead capture page for MLS listings for a client we're working on. And I simply duplicated it and copied it up here. So let's go click on that top one and go into that. And as you can see, I can change the URL. This is the URL. So we're going to change this to virtual tour Todd Martin and press enter and click I'm finished, and that's the actual URL you can type in when you publish it. And then we're going to go down here. So when anyone, these are the options, what happens when you integrate the form. For every client, it's pretty much will be email me new leads. So when leads come in from the landing page, this is the email address they'll be sent to. So let's pull up Todd Martin's email address like so, and then I'm going to go back to Unbounce, put his email address, and we'll change up this subject line where it's a new lead, not enter your contact information to watch, but virtual tour lead, just so the person knows what it is if they're running multiple landing pages. So every lead that comes in from the form will now be sent to them, and there's also ways to send them to constant contact to drip campaigns or AWeber drip campaigns. And the client you can also log in and download a CSV file of all the leads generated. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and edit this page. And as you can see, it's a very what you see is what you get editor. You can go in here and add page sections, boxes, images, text, put in custom HTML. You can drag it around, and you can design the landing page however you want. So what I have here now is I'm going to go ahead and here's the form. And as you can see, if I click this form, I have all these different options of what happens when someone clicks watch right now or submit. I can change what that label text is and so on. But right now when someone clicks submit, you have a couple options. You can show a confirmation dialog, which would be this dialog here. It says thank you for submitting the form, and that's it. This could also be where you put the actual item of value they put their information to receive in. Or instead of that, you could actually show an alert message. This is a message that will just simply pop up when someone clicks here, as opposed to doing something differently. But in this case, we actually want someone, this is an entry path, so when they put their information in, we actually want them to be redirected to a site. We want them to go to another web page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Todd Martin's site, and this is just with his situation here, to create like a buyer lead capture. So when someone puts their information in, they get instant access to all of his home tours. So I'm actually going to go ahead and create a page on his blog really quick. This is just with this unique situation, not necessarily what you're watching this video to do. And I'm simply going to create a landing page that will send it to. So I'm creating a landing page on Unbounce, a squeeze page on Unbounce, and it will redirect to a page on his blog. So I'm just going to put in here home or virtual tours, like so. This could be any page you redirect them to. So we're going to squeeze them. I'm going to copy that and go back to Unbounce and put that here and paste. And then finally save right here. All right. So let's take a look at this page by clicking preview. Wait, fill out the form to watch your virtual home tour right now. And the way this was designed is in the MLS for many realtors, it'll say click here to watch a virtual tour, and a lot of buyers will be there. So he just puts this one link, he puts in this Unbounce link, and it squeezes and forces everyone to put their contact information in order to watch the home tour, and we make all three fields required, which I think is good for Todd. So we'll see if that works, and also you can take the different required fields out. If you want to click the fields and click edit form fields, you can change the fields here. You can select the field if you wanted to require a field or not. I went ahead and made all three required, but you never know if the person will actually put the real information in. So go ahead and click save, and you can add a whole bunch of other stuff. You can bring graphics in, you can add text, and you can have many different templates to start people out. This is how essentially you create a squeeze page or a landing page by doing this. What you need to know is here's how you change the fields by clicking edit form fields. Here's how you change the action of what you want to happen when they click submit. And I already showed you how to link it up to their email address so the client gets the lead. We'll go ahead and save and click close the editor. And as we can see, if I click publish the landing page, this will now make it live. So it's publishing here. So if I click this link, it'll take you right to the Todd Martin Unbounce page where they put their information in. So Frank Klesitz, frank@getviral.com, 402-515-5438. Watch right now. Now got their information. Takes them right to the virtual tour where we post all the different virtual tours for Todd. And now Todd has squeezed a buyer lead out of everyone on his MLS.